Yeah, people, so they don't know they put more man, you see it. Yeah, busy day. Don't know. Christmas tomorrow, you don't know. Merry Christmas to everybody. And big up to everybody who support Bigger Comedy. And please ensure, say, when you tell a friend them to subscribe to Bigger Comedy, thumbs up, enjoy the video, because we do a local public fart, you don't know it go. See, you don't know a crazy laugh for the girl them. Talk truth, I'm gonna leave them there. See, photographer still there, we still do the two business them. We don't have time for idle out here in the street. Watch it. Busy day, so much car. Yeah. Ready? So make sure you look out for it in the public fart. Tell a friend them, make sure you get the subscribers them going. You want at least 100,000 subscribers. Quick and fast. Check in. Bigger Comedy. Live and direct. One up. Yeah, we're out here, see that?
Better.
Public fart prank. So general designer, I don't know what going on.
Ink.
Jesus Christ! Big up, see me video editor, see him there? I have a call on him, know himself, I have to look at himself.
After a madman.
I'm a general, see him, you see me? What that is? Yo, subscribe, tune in, mad thing.
What a girl, yeah, see.